Are you ready for a massive Cardano price surge? Because it's happening right now, just like I told you it would. For months, Cardano ADA has been stuck in a sideways trading range, leaving investors frustrated and also wondering if the bull run is over. But today, something incredible happened. Cardano has risen by a whopping 8%, and it's showing all the signs of a major bullish reversal. In this video, we're going to deep dive into the reasons behind the sudden price surge and explore the potential for Cardano to reach a new all-time high. We're analyzing the technical charts, discussing the fundamental factors driving the price. Let's go. So we're going to start here. Cardano raises 8% as Charles Hoskinson reveals launch date for the highly anticipated Chang hard fork. So look, I talked about this in the previous videos. I have been talking about the fact that Cardano ADA has been one of the most accumulated altcoins in the past 12 months. I've been talking about what is actually happening whilst people are talking absolute nonsense. Just yesterday in the video, I highlighted that Cardano, I highlighted articles from people that were saying that it had finally fallen out of the top 10. And I said to you, it won't be long and it'll be back in the top 10. And today we are back in the top 10 by market cap on CoinMarketCap. Now, the question is, are articles going to be written to say Cardano has finally got back into the top 10? Probably not. The bias in the media is ridiculous. But look, this is what's driving the price. The fundamental changes in the network. These aren't always seen in the actual price charts, right? You've got to know what's going on within, the ecosystems of projects. We're going to have governance. We're going to have Hydra, better scaling solutions. It's going to be very, very competitive, if not the leader when it comes to ZK rollups and stuff like that. Really interesting stuff. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We've got Cardano ADA price turns bullish as key upgrade date nears. So again, just lots of articles talking about, the fact that the charts are looking way more positive now. Very, very interesting. The Chang hard fork is what is pushing this forward. We have said several times on several videos that, traditionally, whenever we've seen one of these upgrades for Cardano ADA, it's always been followed by a monstrous move to the upside. And I don't think that this is going to be any different. And I've been saying that for weeks whilst people have been getting nervous, whilst people have been selling their ADA. I think that it's just ridiculous. People need to have patience, have some conviction in their selections. Have conviction in what you invested in, right? These aren't cults. Like the nonsense being spoken by some of what I would say are leading people in the space, just it baffles me why people continue to watch these absolute bellends. Like, let me know, why are you watching Roll Poll? Why are you watching him? He doesn't know anything. You saw all the memes of him talking about Terra Luna. It's the same with Banter and Ran and those guys. They pick, dud projects. So let's move on. Cardano ADA explodes 52% in critical indicator. And this is the details where we scroll right down. Potential ADA price rally, trading view volume of ADA according to CoinGlass, I should get my words out correctly, has jumped 52.23% in the last 24 hours, currently at 324.47 million level, and has raised trading activity, further emphasizing the resurgence, I guess, of the bulls on the market. It's a major signal of a changing environment, and it looks bullish for sentiment. And for me, this is really, really, really cool. Another key metric: Cardano turned bullish during this time. The RSI of the coin is currently at the 48.732 level, according to TradingView. This RSI range reveals that the buying activity is intensifying for ADA. So really, really cool to see this stuff. And we can see here the total market cap of crypto is up 1.90% at $2.14 trillion. And Cardano is ranked 10th at 36 cent 89 at the time of recording, up 3.18% in the past 24 hours, but up 8.94% in the last 7 days, which, is really up there, right? Michael Saylor stuns crypto community with 21 million Bitcoin statement. Again, like this stuff, are people really stunned by this? He's a Bitcoin maxi, right? Imagine everything divided by 21 million. Like, yeah, I mean, rather interesting, but it's for me doesn't really move the needle. Like, let me know your thoughts and opinions, but I thought I'd highlight it. Bitcoin parabolic rally may start in Q4 according to historical price data. Look, I think we get the Fed pivot, we get, printing, September, like Fed pivot, right? We get printing, and that's going to increase the value of cryptocurrency risk assets, right? Like it's going to happen, and it's going to happen in Q4 and going into Q1 2025. That's when the bull run starts. That has always been when the bull run starts. Like people that have been saying bull run, bull run, bull run, they don't understand economics. They don't understand that actually you get this price discovery in the lead up to a Fed pivot. Like we've seen this in stocks, you get a stock crash and a crypto crash. This is why we've been calling this shit for 18 months. Like, people watch Roll Poll and all these like numpties on YouTube that have no idea, that have been telling you like it's your last chance to buy Bitcoin at 69k. And we've been calling this shit for 18 months, telling you what's going to happen, telling you to get some stables on the side, still continue to dollar cost average, but get stables on the side ready for a big crash. We've had a big crash in stocks. We've had a big crash in crypto, but I don't think it's quite over yet. And, it's just people are trying to price it in. It's going to be really interesting. But, I think we're going to be, seeing some really, really big moves in Q4 2025, Q4 2024 going into Q1 2025, if I can get my words out correctly. We got TradFi underestimates Bitcoin. Yeah, look, obviously, Bitcoin processes $36.6 trillion in transactions last year, far more than payment network giants MasterCard and Visa combined. It's just monstrous when you actually break it down like that. We got German authorities have confiscated or seized $279,000 in Bitcoin ATMs as they crack down on those. So Binance dominates among Chinese crypto users. X provides guidance. Survey of more than 2,000 Chinese speakers shows clear favorites and frequently appears for supernatural assistance. Yeah, really interesting. But yeah, Binance is right up there amongst the Chinese investors, and great for them, right? Really good news for Binance. Look, we've been doing loads of educational content. You've got to check out the Cheeky Crypto channel. Go check it out, right? I think yesterday alone I recorded 40 videos. Today I've recorded another 20. I think we've uploaded probably like close to 100 videos in the last week alone, trying to educate people new in the space. If you enjoy the content, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap that bell, select all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.